Actually, you're the only who's in trouble. Like, only people. Like, both of you. I'm at the fucking sides, bro.
Ako lang matatamaan na. Pag tinamaan ako, I'm dead. Pag tinamaan ko manihari, I'm dead.
Yeah.
Sa likod na lang ako. Kaya nyo na yun.
Nagigit na sa likod pre, kaya nga set eh. Kaya takot ako doon sa set eh.
Eh, sa likod mo.
Fuck
ganyan?
you! You're not gonna use skills. Yo, we
Tara daw.
can't, bro. Fuck you, fucking Morgana and shit.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ko alam
Sugod
ba't
daw
sila
siya sabi
lumapit.
eh. Hindi na.
Technically speaking, you guys will get shit on early game.
PTA.
Yeah, early game.
Kung maprak niya.
Yeah,
Huwag ka
yeah,
lang
yeah.
magpasama.
Just don't go fucking extended raids.
Minions have spawned.
Wait, am I recording? Okay, I am. Fuck you.
Ano nagre-record ka? Wala akong kabisadong kanta? Siyempre ka. Wala maisip.
No, fuck you.
Si mama nagpapatugtog.
No, 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 no. That's why I'm happy.
Naririnig nyo ba?
No, 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 no. No, don't tell her to come up front, bro. Please.
Papatugtog si mama eh. Palapitin ko yung speaker.
Yun nga, wag nga. I told you. I just told you not to do it.
Kabado yung
Buti hindi kumakanta yung ate
nakakagawin.
mo. Like your sisters love to sing.
Ah.
Papakinggan.
No, fuck that. I'm gonna get copyright.
Ayaw mo.
Ano trip na ito?
No.
Ito may nagsusrun. Puro. Kaya pa nagpa-front siya. Meron siyang ano, undodgeable na skill.
Who?
Morgana.
Undodgeable skill. What the fuck?
Alam mo sa undodgeable? Sa sobrang bilis niya. Yung ano niya, yung pull.
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
Ang E daw niya.
Baba eh.
Akala ko rin yung E. Oh, it's like the block. Fuck, man. I hate Galio. Kahit mag-gang si Harry, impossible to win. It's Harry's
Ano eh,
fucking AP.
kasi magic resist rin siya, di ba?
Yeah. Fucking Harry, bro.
Ito. Nalakas ng trip ng mga kalaban. I-ignite it up. Nakabad trip. Nakabad trip.
You almost died.
Kaya, push mo lang, Kik.
Fuck, man. I think I'm dead. Next rotation. I'm dead.
Hindi tumama sa kanya. Sa minion pa tumama yun.
Save the win.
An enemy has been slain.
I don't know.
Ally has been slain.
No, no, I won that. I won the trade, I guess. No, I don't think so. Wala akong potion. Wala rin siyang potion. Should be good.
That's it. Oh shit.
An enemy has been slain.
Bitch.
Bro warded. Kung nag-AD lang talaga ako, like, ito yung
Kahit sino.
game para mag-AD ako.
Ah,
Like AD Katarina. Like, hindi siya na untradable. Cannot do shit. Bro is so bad. Hindi niya alam na hindi niya pwede i-freeze yan. You're shit player. Unlucky. Being smart is a blessing.
Sa kanan wave, so makabutan pa. That's good.
Yeah, I only missed 2. And I got a reset. Level 6 Galio.
Nakabad trip dyan mamaya pag pumasok ka, pre. Kasi ultan niya yung papasokan mo. May magic.
Yeah. Kaya nga, ano eh, hintayin ko yun eh. But the thing is, kapag sinesave niya yung taunt niya specifically for me.
baka siyan yun na.
That's it.
He's fucking dead.
Nice man. Nice man.
Mind
Okay,
games.
they cannot win the fight now.
Pag mind games yung ano.
Akala niyo wala akong damage, ulol.
Daming ang kan.
Oh fuck! I fucking ate a tower shot.
Oh, yung magic shield. Natakot na sa'yo rin, nagma-magic shield yung katapat. That's right, I have healing.
Yeah.
Push natin to rin, magkaka-level 6 ah. Medyo kung hindi, di ba level 6? Sabi.
An ally has been slain.
What is that?
But,
Oh my god. I guess assist lang nakuha ni Galio.
Huwag mo nga rin.
Kala ko Hex Armor, what the fuck?
kung may ganun, yun palagi kong bibili.
Meron. Like, I think it's built over Hex Armor. Let me check.
Eh, Nocturne yun eh.
No, it's Experiment. Oh, it's Hex Plate, not Hex Armor. My bad.
Gawa talaga to.
Fuck you! Close enough.
Gawa.
Yo, where's Evelyn?
Nice. Hindi ko alam pre, hindi pa rin pupunta sa amin. Huwag mo nga rin.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, shit. Nice take.
Diyan, Evelyn.
Thank you, Ray. Patay rin. Ay, Ray, do you have ulti? Do you have ulti?
Andiyan pa rin, Evelyn, boy.
Baka. Ay, ito. Mali.
Diyan pa rin yan. That's good.
Okay, that's fine. The lane is fine. Lane is fine.
Papaputok na dito.
Well, aga naman.
Pero may ano dyan, like fruits? Or no?
Wala.
Wala ata.
Ito
Check
gusto
for
mo.
fruits.
Pre, wala ni Eva. Bakbot sa'yo.
No, yeah. I need fruit.
Wala na ulti.
Last quote pre, meron gusto mo.
Fuck you! I don't
Sumabot
need
siya sa
that.
minions. Kumabot yung minions sa ano tao. Ay, joke lang, hindi. Yeah.
Go mid, go mid.
Yeah, frozen to an extent yung lane. Let's go. To an extent.
I think he's fucking mad.
Nakuha niya yung cannon sad. Kundis ko pa yung lane. Ganda yung dragon. Ari, di yung... Wait lang ah.
Careful ah. I have enhanced TP. Unleashed. But Galio has Galio, you know.
Sayang.
Galio is Galio.
Yeah, Galio is Galio. Fucking Galio, bro. Later he's
Yes,
gonna shit talk if he wins. That's the kind of person he is, bro. Can you deep ward right here?
Nakita mo, Henry?
Uy, nice kill. Gago
Ayaw?
sa hold.
Ano? Patay.
An enemy has been slain.
Yo, flash.
Wala nga eh.
Yo, Galio is fucking MIA.
Bitch!
Bro, wala Galio.
Yan lang. Dalawa pa kaming buhay dito. Healthy pa kami, healthy.
Nasa grabs daw.
Nice one.
I'm fucking dead.
Yun, alive.
Nice
Help,
one.
help, help. Oh shit, I'm dead. Tangin na, dito rin Morgana. Just kill it. Nagdalawang plates ka, bro.
Ah, nag-plates ako, nag-plates ako.
Two plates.
Lahat ng plates kinuha ko.
Fuck you, only two. What do you mean lahat ng plates?
Ang pwede ka makuha.
Ah, okay. I asked for if you got two. And said lahat. Stupid guy.
Lahat na lang.
Fuck you,
Hindi ko ba nakuha?
could have said yes. Easier to communicate with.
Dahilan na tayo. Greedy tayo.
Can I kill?
Tao po.
Ragad.
Tok yun.
Can I kill?
Tama ba yan?
I
Tama
don't know.
ba yan?
Maybe.
Ha? Magic Shield? And Barrier? Sure ka?
Get barrier.
So, yan ang buhay ko. Nice. Kapal natin ito.
Help me! E! Thank you, Harry!
Okay.
Take it. Oh my god, Harry the goat, bro. Yo, Galio!
Yan lang.
He's here. He's fucking dead. Master Yi is dead.
Eh, ang weird ng ano, ng mga champs sa Wild Rift. Ano tama? Katama yun, patay yun.
Yeah, Bolt.
Harry,
GG.
sayang. Ano gumagana ulti niyan, Dre? Right, parang rin na right click mo, every ano?
No,
or-
press R. Again.
or-
Press R, you will channel into like a fucking...
Eh, pag may
pillar.
parang nilang spam yung R.
Yeah. You hover your cursor and press R again. If you fucking right click, I'm gonna fucking shit talk you until the end of the game.
Hindi naman ako yung gumagamit.
Try mo nga mag-right click sa Jin ult.
Yeah, same with fucking Jin.
Eh, gano'n na ba si Jin?
Yeah. You fucking press the R again.
Baka nag-Aurelion Soul yung kanina kasi ginawa niya yung bug.
Which
Alam
is-
niyo ba yun? The worldwide vision bug. Hindi ko yun lang yung dahilan ba't nag-Aesol yun.
Bro, it's mad.
Nagalit mo eh.
Yep, exactly. Because I cannot win lane, okay? I can win by ego.
Putang inang yan.
If I destroy his ego, I will win.
Mawawalan lang ng buhay, lalapagan lang ako ng ano eh. Layo ng jungle natin, pre.
Kaya nga
Hindi mo-
bro, we can win ah.
Medyo-
Fucking Galio TP topside. Can you ward? Just ward. We can win. Hello?
Yeah, why did?
No, the Drake.
Ah, the Drake.
An ally has been slain.
The Drake. You did not see which one.
My bad. Oh, I ping. Fuck you.
We were fighting.
Okay. You think
One
I
HP
can...
yung ano?
Akala namin ikaw yung gustong mag-initiate.
Akala ko magtitip ka dito kasi naglagay ako dito, naglagay kami dito. Kaya doon yun yung
You think I
sinasabi
can
ko.
do this trick?
Kaya mo rin patayin yung Caitlyn. Kaya mo patayin. Kaya mo patayin.
Nope, I'm dead.
Why? 1 HP. Rapa.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah,
You
hindi ko na-steal yung dragon.
You have
The
been
fuck?
slain.
ano build na itong Caitlyn?
What? It's fucking...
Your turret has been destroyed.
Mag-yuntal dapat siya but he cancelled.
Nagyuntal siya pag nagkanto siya oh.
Your turret has been
Yeah. Mag-yuntal dapat siya and he got jealous.
Inggit.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Ah, naingit nga. Kaya nga yan. Sino to? Sino?
I don't know.
Hindi ako malaman.
Yeah, either way, you don't wanna know, bro. This
Wala
guy
man
or
na-
this guy, you will die.
Kaya ano, kahit, pero, uy, hello.
Hardset, you fucking dumb. We don't have DPS. No yuntal.
After neto.
Okay.
Feeling ko dapat mag-IE na lang siya.
Yeah, just go IE, actually. IE yuntal. But IE first.
Reset.
Yo,
Reset.
can we kill? Help me.
Obo, sino po? Ting.
Why you fucking went frontline, stupid Hardset? Paiya ko pala yung gago! What the fuck?
An enemy has been slain.
Flash? Yeah, flash ah. Yeah, flash.
Oh,
Yeah,
I don't have flash. Sino kaya?
never mind. Ako pala yung may flash.
Ash!
Ay! Paiya ko kapag ganun, bro. I forgot. Actually, hindi. Akin
Kapag
yan.
ako,
Hindi. Akin yan.
kaya lumapit.
Yeah, ano. Akin yan. I forgot to tell you. I can fight. Fight. Poke them out.
Naman yung moon. Push naman ng mundo yung lane na top. Yun, immortal na. Yun lang. Ah, boy pa rin. Uy, ingat ka. Kaya, triple kill.
Ah! Wala akong magagawa.
Wala kang magagawa doon? Gagawin mo doon.
No, I thought I can one-shot him, but ang sakit niya. Oh my god. Look at this fucking mundo.
Pero feeling ko mas masakit pa rin talaga yung Evelyn kaysa kay Kata.
Mas masakit naman talaga
Ginagawa-
Evelyn, bro. Hindi, totoo naman. Character. Bro, I'm 2 items, and Evelyn can one-shot you guys already. I cannot do shit. I have this thing.
Basta ano, talagang siya yung original na 100 to 0 na kalaban, puta.
Yeah. Oh!
Okay.
Unlucky! Unlucky!
Pinla siya kang bastos!
Ano yung nag-flash? I forgot.
Okay na spacing
It's set,
to,
right?
eh.
It's set. Set yung nag-flash, di ba? Yo, can we poke this
May
guy?
flash yung set, may flash. Nag-ulti na rin yan. Taka lang yan, bahal na mahal ka. Galit ta, galit. Nagyunta na rin siya.
Di
I
talaga
told you,
ma-
he's fucking undecided because he saw you building this. I was like, this guy building this?
Ah!
Why not? You know? Don't mind me. I want...
Aha.
Yo, switch.
Kung ano, may ikaw napansin, wala may isa sa ating frontline, sa ating tatlo.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine. You guys poke them out. I fucking finish them off, you know?
Depende, kasi range ko yung ano cube din eh.
And we have fucking hurry, bro.
Shut down.
Ano to?
Help me. I'm dead.
Okay.
Yeah. Evelyn.
Grabe, ito ng ulti damage yun. What the fuck?
Dapat ano? Binarage mo na lang.
Ang anong yito, kinuwala to si S.
I don't have TP. Ewan ko kung kaya niya. Kanina pa sana yung Drake but we fucking lost every opportunity for that. Call for ult sa Evelyn. Evelyn ultimate. Just wait. Oh shit! Fuck you, Heartset! You wanna eat every trap!
Slain.
May ulti pa pala.
Yo, just chase! Can you chase? This guy? Chase mo lang. Let him come to me. Just chase him. Yeah. Let him come to me. You have ward?
flowered. Kahit ano. Tumakbo.
He's here. Help me.
Ah, dapat may kwenta. Sapak! Sapak! Eh! Shit.
Being chilling.
You have slain an enemy.
Sabi dapat ano, hindi natatakpan ng modern trap.
Tangina, bro. You fucking press E, you got hit by a trap. FTP.
Uy, hindi ba? Trap hindi ba pinuhat ng ako?
Bro. Recta Drake mo na. Para ma-start na kagad.
Saka kung kahit ano.
It's fine.
Uy, seriously.
Hindi. Hindi ako abot yan. I'm gonna go mid. Go. Take na. Yeah, 2k HP.
An ally has been slain.
He died.
Kung namatay siya sa Evelyn sa ano? Morgue? Dapat.
Bro, he doesn't have magic resist. What do you expect?
Namatay pa rin siya? Paano siya nahuli?
Bro, he's fucking slow as shit. He doesn't
Eh,
have
di naman siya
ultimate.
sisisi ah. Kontra naman siya lahat ng skill.
Not siya. Yeah, he ate everything. Q. This one, just take the CS. I'm good. We can kill. Oh, what? This guy is dumb.
Uy, nice. Buti ikaw inultan, di ako. Wala akong magagawa doon. Ako inultan.
An
Ay, inultan, dinabal I mean.
Yeah, he's dumb.
Buti inultan niya sa kanya, kinailangan kay Flash yun.
Yeah. I mean, Harry's positioning is good.
Ang kapten niya, sinapak niya sa alam, muntik na siya mamatay.
Bro, sa akin din. Like,
Kinakabahan ako kasi doon sa bush.
Evelyn actually. Yeah.
Ikaw lang kung binibake niya lang, bobo lang siya eh. Yun yung problema pag ganito kalaro eh.
No, it's a bait.
Ako tumama yun.
Just scare. But thank you for the ward.
Eh, we scared.
Turret has been destroyed.
Eh, anong tas na mga shield niya?
He fucking flashed!
Eh, ito.
Ult him, bitch! Okay, never mind.
Sabi mo. Chill ka lang.
I
Wala na
didn't,
siya sa range ko.
my bad. I didn't see you. Sorry.
Wait lang. Nakita mo yun?
Yeah, only that guy, Galio.
Wala kong
Yo,
gagawin
on
naman.
me. Yo! E!
Yan o. Ano, chill!
The guy flashed! Diba?
May flash pa lahat yan. May flash pa lahat.
Ulit, Caitlyn. Ayop ka. Mga paka.
Take it. What?
Wala akong damage. Hindi siya nag-crit.
Yeah, feeling ko rin eh. You have to recall for Zonya. Nag-flash yung Evelyn, I swear.
Yeah.
Ako na nang malit.
Wait mo sinabi, kupal ka.
Yeah, it's fine. Bro, I think that's a good highlight. The guy tried to flash in. Stupid.
Chill.
You take cannon.
Wala ko na mo.
No. Take cannon.
Ay, di na damag eh. Pero, kanina tatlong crit in 50%. Pero kanina, isang basic at
Bro,
pala.
you're just an unlucky motherfucker. What do you mean?
Saan.
Can you hit it? I thought so.
Kupal yun ah. Uy, nag-PP. Eh? Oh!
Help me.
You are very far away.
Good job, boys. Help me, Evelyn. I need to recall and TP.
Gago talaga to si Harry. Alam ko, Evelyn tuloy yun. Yung skill lang pala ni Harry, gago. Ano ito? Baka ba yun?
Armundo, shit.
The fuck was that?
Or Master Yi is even shitty here.
Nagkakabat niya pinasok. Kala ko may Evelyn. Pero nakita ko pinapatay ng Evelyn yung Yi.
Yo,
Ba't mas maganda yung dragon natin nung may Aurelion Soul tayo kaysa nung may Master?
bro, because they don't have a mid laner. For this game, they have a fucking mid laner.
Ooh.
Go for it, hit here!
Ito lang.
Hit mo lang siya, normal attack.
Ay.
Ah, what are you doing, motherfucker? We have Caitlyn. Oh, nino-normal pa rin ako, abnormal.
Hindi ako katabihan mo.
Nino-normal pa rin ako, sinasapak na siya ng mundo. Like, what the fuck? Are you crazy? Or you're a dumb fuck?
Ay, hindi.
Oh, you're dead.
Oh! Pogi. Wala pa sa passive. Kala ko may passive yung mundo. Oh! Nagtitipos pala si Hade pag nag-UAP.
Yeah. That's his lore. What do you mean?
Hindi ko alam yun ah.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
What is this?
Wala. Not ability.
Pang ano
What?
yan?
What the fuck? This
Naka-
sounds OP on fucking set.
hanggang
Ay, di mo ba alam
baba
yan?
yung
Yan yung
damage.
build niya.
Ay, yung damage. Yung health mo. Mas mataas yung scale
Yeah.
ng damage ng W mo.
Ganda nga yun eh. Ito nga rin matry mag-set dahil dyan.
Pero purely pang W lang naman siya kasi yung stats niya, 500 health plus.
Yeah, true,
Ito,
true.
maganda rin siya. Yung AD.
Yeah. Like the passive. Because Seth wants to be, get, how to say? Get smashed around, I guess.
Wala man lang wala siya
Benedict
defend.
Lucifer.
Ba't nga wala siya Hydra eh?
Yo, one guy is here.
Inuna niya yung Stride Breaker.
Yun. Ay, pumasok. Ayaw niya pumasok eh. Anong tank natin?
I will go in, I will go in.
Ano to?
I will go in, okay?
Pumasok. Mali ako. Uy, quadra.
Help!
Ang dami.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking weak!
Gani, 1 HP na lang siya doon, nabuhay
Kaya
pa
nga eh. What are you doing, dumb cunt?
Galing nun ah. Sabi yun,
Bro, this guy doesn't have magic resist. How the fuck did I not kill him?
negative damage.
I know!
Ano ata yun? 1k pa ata HP niya.
Putang ina, I don't care. I have this.
Destroyed a turret.
Di ba HP base damage ba yan? Di ba HP base damage
No,
yan?
but the thing is, I have a lot of AP. And this. And this. It will literally kill him. And I fucking threw my Q.
Wala pa siya Sterox nun, ha?
Yeah. If he got Sterak,
That's sad.
it's fucking skill issue.
Bawas Scuttle. Kailangan natin Scuttle Grub.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Saan mo ako set?
Smack him around, bro. Smack him.
Hindi, walang Evelyn, hindi ko alam nasaan eh.
Oh shit. Hello. He's getting kited. He's getting kited. He got flash. He's getting kited. He got flash. I told you. You're not listening. You're not fucking listening.
Kala ko ikaw tatargetin niya parang kanina eh. Kanina ikaw tinarget niya eh. Yun ang inasahan ko na ikaw tatarget niya dahil ikaw may shutdown. Hindi yung ADC na ano. Na 8-7. Kaya tatargetin niya yung 22 something. Ikaw, patay ka.
I know. Hindi, alam ko nandun siya. Makala ko makaka-catch up ako. May Zonias ako, I mean.
Gawa niya. Ano mo na yung tower? What? The f*** was that? What did I watch? Kinansin mo ba lahat ng trash talk dito, Rick? Ano yun?
Alin? Alam mo hindi.
Yung trash
Wala akong ginalaw ng chat dyan.
Bakit walang chat?
Gago, tinanggal mo yung chat. Fuck you, Harry. No, because you reset everything. Okay, go interface. Then go chat.
Reset niya.
Interface. Scroll down until you go chat. Then go to everyone.
Kalimutan ko yun nga pala yung default nila yung naka-off yung ano.
Yeah. Fucking Harris doesn't trust me, man.
Mamaya ko rin check.
No, I mean the fucking set play.
Narinig, kala ko ikaw susugurin niya. Kasi ikaw yung fit eh.
True. That's why I'm trying to distance, actually. Kala ko rin.
Ano? Iwan mo kayo ka dyan, bano ka dyan?
We can kill. Fucking Mundo is behind him. Yes,
Walang magpa-front ko, wala yung...
gago ba kaya hagis niya yung Mundo sa atin?
Ano yun, yan umigat ako eh.
He did it.
O, diba?
I'm dead. Yo, let me recall. Let me recall. Listen, let me recall.
Bin chilling, tinatakot ko, Ang gago.
No, the thing is, I know they don't have a fucking Seraph. Stupid card set! Are you crazy? Why are you alone?
I-check ko interface. Kala ko naka-recall na ako. Ayun.
Tang ina mo, oh my god, you're stupid. At least you have to agree that you're fucking stupid for that play.
Ano lang yung sinuwerte lang si.
Yeah, I know. And they're lucky because you're fucking stupid.
Karte ka lang ba? Kailangan
He's dead.
i-reset ka. Yung ano trip na itong mundo natin?
He thought he's a fucking beast, bro.
Dapat lang na set siya sa... Parang ang katanong set ah. Parang W
Bro,
yan.
I need to fucking dodge set, man.
Tinignan mo yung ano niya, no, KD niya, para wala siya kwenta. Pero pag binato ka niya, wala na.
Clear the minions, sorry.
Oh?
Yeah.
Mag-FPS drop ako. May ko rin. Oh, may ano ako. Ito. Diba ba? Hindi nga abot? Walang pa pala ako na 80.
Just go rapid fire next, I think.
Pwede.
I think sell this, buy a lifesteal item.
May,
Yeah. I'm fucking dead, right?
ikaw? Buhay ka pa?
You think so? Yeah.
May minions pa?
Nakukuha na sa atin.
He's here. I fucking wasted his ult. Kill him. He doesn't have ult. He got nothing, bro. I can recall and TP. Fight. I have TP.
Lutas ng buhay ng sit!
Just go.
Eh ba neto? Wala, kinuho!
Who's alive? Seth,
Set.
can we just take this?
No.
Cancel.
Cancel.
Nice. Help.
Tapos niya na daw ng mundo.
I'm fucking dead, bro.
Di na kaya, no?
Nakakatakot yun.
I know, because this guy decided to fucking push mid.
Nagpe-finish yun kanina. Kung tinili mo Evelyn na pumunta dun sa Baron, patay kaming lahat.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's the Mundus fault. Putang ina, hindi sana tayo low HP, bro. Kill it. Hurt it. Isa pa to. Bro's dead. We can help him. Caitlyn ah. Caitlyn lang. Kill. Fast. Good job.
Nice one. Balik ka na kami, item ka.
Sige, sige. Okay, you're good. Ako rin Sorry.
Your team has destroyed an enemy.
My god, this guy doesn't know how to play objective. Dapat nga si Mundo na sa top eh. Or me, I don't have...
Ano eh, dapat yung mundo lang yung nag-aanay.
Oh, putang ina ang bobo. People don't know how to play the game, bro.
Dapat din magka-collector pag si Bray kasama.
Gagi. Kaya kasi
Mas mataas damage ni Bray kasi sa collector eh. Ay, hindi ko naman sa Ev. Ayoko.
Sige lang. I'm just fucking how to say, baiting him.
Nasa top.
If ma-flashan tayo, I have Zonias, don't worry. Pero wag ikaw, Harry. You're
Ay,
fucking
mapaflash
dead. I can tank. I have Zonias.
Ay, yun lang. Pogi, na 100 to 0 niya ako. Pogi, na 100 to 0 niya ako, pre.
I know.
An enemy
Pogi.
One shot yan.
First time.
Sorry, Harry, wala ka magagawa sa dun, pre.
Gago pa nangyari yun.
What do you mean? He doesn't have HP, this guy.
Ano yun?
Ano diba? 3k HP nyo diba?
Oh, 2.5.
2.5. Akala ko 3k. Nasanay ako mas mataas HP mo palagi sa akin kaya DD. Sige.
Saan lang? Wait lang, hihilang ako.
Yo, invite Mort.